Hello guys, welcome back. This is Hayes for After Effects tutorial channel, and now working with a different project, how to create Happy Eid or Eid Mubarak in After Effects. Let's start. Create a new composition right here in Motiongraphics. Select the time 9 seconds. Select the preset HD, press enter, and now there I have created in Adobe Illustrator the design. Write it Eid. So select all, Ctrl C, copy, create a new solid, maybe white solid right here, stroke, and select the color white. Press OK. OK, Ctrl V, paste it. And now press S for the scale. Change the scale to 150. And now drop effect stroke, 3D stroke. Select this effect, drop here, and change the thickness 1. Good. And there is the start and end. Start, starting the strokes. Okay, let's create another. There is the yellow drops. Select magic wand, select all yellow drops. Ctrl C and create another new solid right here, yellow drops. Select the color, don't forget select the same color. Here is the code, copy and paste here the code color. OK, and Ctrl V. Select again, copy, Ctrl V, paste. Press S, change the scale 150, and now press Ctrl slowly down and move, press P, move it here, change the scale more up, press P, move it right. Okay, move the color a little bit, move it, because this is very important. Move the yellow drops, the colors down of the stroke here. And now time to create another drops. Blue, press Ctrl C, copy and move here. Select, press S, little bit, scale up the size and move by arrow keys, little bit down, move it here. Create another new solid right here, the blue. What was the color? Blue. Right here, blue drops, and select the color here, blue, or you can get the color code and paste it. Press S for the scale, up the size and move little bit down here and here. Looking good. 150 for the yellow, and for the blue just little bit setting. Good. And now select the another colors, green, copy, go to After Effects, create another new solid right here, green drops. Change the color green. Press OK, and paste here, press S, scale up the size, and now move it up, right, good. Select another one, the rose color, create another new solid, right here, rose drops, change the color, rose, press OK and OK. Ctrl V paste, scale up the size, 150, move it up, good. And now there is the last. Select the red color, copy, and create another new solid, red drops, select the color and paste the mask, press S, change the scale and move it down, set here, zoom, good. Okay, select the stroke, move it above and Ctrl A, close all layers, and now select the stroke, right click, pre-compose, because we can't turn on the 3D switch because there is a lot of mask. When you turn on the 3D, it's making some problem with camera. Turn off first, pre-compose your layer, move all attributes into the new composition and press OK. And now you can change to 3D control with camera. Right click here, pre-compose, the red drops, press OK, pre-compose, OK, pre-compose, OK, pre-compose, OK, and pre-compose. OK, and now right click, create a new camera, select 24mm and press OK. There we have a lot of 3D layers. And now select the stroke, press P, press Ctrl, slowly move the layer top of the other layers. And now select the orbit camera. There is 3D. Okay. And now go to yellow drops, double click, select the yellow drops and drop here the fractal noise. Select fractal noise and move, zoom in, go to transform, change the scale down, first the contrast must be 0. Stopwatch the contrast and evolution. Go to 5 seconds and change the contrast rate to 3000 and change the evolution to end of 9 seconds, change it to 3. Play now, looking nice. And now select the blending mode, change to screen or overlay. The overlay is looking nice. Multiply and add multiply. Multiply is looking more realistic. Press U for the keyframes and turn on the brightness. Play now. Looking nice. Classic color dodge, hard light. Okay. Select it to multiply and play now. There is the effect of fractal noise on yellow drops, but how to look overlay? The overlay is not bad. Change again to multiply. Okay. And now select this fractal noise, press Ctrl C copy, double click on blue drops, Ctrl V paste, play, and change the keyframes, press U. Then the evolution must be to end of 9 seconds. And the contrast and brightness, move to from start, from here. And now go to green drops, press Ctrl V, paste here, press U, move it from start, move it in, and go to rows, Ctrl V. So after pasting the fractal noise effect, then press U, control the keyframes, and the final layer is red drops, Ctrl V, paste and press U. Where is the other keyframes? Play now. Red drops. Select the all keyframes and move it from starting 0 to 2 seconds. Okay. There I have used the glow effect on the yellow drops. Select the yellow drops, there is the glow effect, and copy the glow effect, paste on all layers like this. And now time to create the camera movement. So select the camera and zoom in, move it down, and now right click, create a new adjustment layer, move top of layers and drop another effect, camera lens blur, change to 10, and select the polygon tools, create a mask and change the mask, add to subtract, press MM, create a feather and expansion, good, a little bit more expansion like this. And now select the camera, in 3 seconds Ctrl Shift D for the split layer, and in 6 seconds split layer, good. Select the camera 1, press P, close, open. There is point of interest and position. No problem. Stopwatch the all keyframes and move to second 2. Here, move the camera like this. Play now. Or Ctrl Z for cancel. Create another motion like this. Little bit orbit. And go to stroke, double click, select the stroke, stopwatch, go to second 6, change to 0, 0 mean to 100, and go to 6 seconds and go to main comp. There is the first camera. There is the first shot, and after 3 seconds the camera is changing, and change the camera mode from here, move, and open the camera, transform, stopwatch, go to second 6, move the camera, up. Okay, and there is the last third camera, orbit, little bit zoom, and open camera, transform, stopwatch, all option, and fade out, orbit, and fade out, move the camera center and fade, turn on the title action save area, little bit zoom like this, and from start of camera 3 movement, go to select the adjustment layer and stopwatch the blur, change to 3, 0, 1, 0. Press U for the camera 3. Fix the orbit. Looking good. Ctrl A. Turn on the motion blur switch and create another title. Go to software Lemon and right here Mubarak, Ctrl A, convert, Ctrl V, paste, change the title font this font is beautiful, and change the color to bright blue or yellow. Select this title and press T, turn on the opacity, and right click, select the easy ease, select again and drop the effect, glow, star glow, drop star glow and select the warm star too and change a little bit more brighter like this, and stopwatch, go to here, like this. And now select the stroke. If we move it up or down, let's create a background. Press U, turn on the 3D for this title and a little bit move it in. Good. And now go to Illustrator, create another new project, art illustration, poster, landscape, 150, create, select the spray and go to symbol. There is a lot of symbol design for creating the background. This one is looking beautiful. Create one, select it, little bit, change the size, press Alt, Ctrl D and Ctrl D. Select all and go to Object, create Make Pattern, OK, and done. Select this pattern and File, Export as, Desktop, Background, Export. OK, and go to After Effects, double click, import this pattern, double click and close all the layers, drop here, press S, scale down the size, and now create another solid, a dark solid, press OK, press Shift plus on keyboard for creating the background. This one is looking good. And select both, right click before selecting, one duplicate more and down the opacity, select these three layers, pre-compose, name it the background, and now mask on this background. Control Shift, move the mask center of composition screen. Press MM for the feather, like this. Okay, let's render the project and see the result. Press T, turn on the opacity, press U, move the keyframes here and right click, easy ease, and now let's render.